Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screensaver on a Mac. First, the quickest way is to right-click on the desktop, then choose Change Wallpaper. Or you can open System Settings and then select Wallpaper. In the Wallpaper settings, you'll see an option called Screensaver. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you can set how long your Mac stays inactive before the screensaver appears. For example, I'll set it to 1 minute. Under Use Screensaver, if you leave it set to automatic, the screensaver will match your desktop wallpaper. If not, choose Custom, then pick one of the screensaver themes listed below. For example, I'll choose Tahoe. After selecting a screensaver, you can choose the display mode, light, dark, or automatic, so it follows your system settings. If you want to use your own photos, scroll all the way down and select Photo under the Other section. At the top, you'll see Photo. Click Options. From here, you can choose images from a folder on your Mac or select photos directly from the Photos app. When you're using multiple displays, you can't set a different screensaver for each screen like you can with desktop wallpapers. One important thing to understand is the difference between screensaver and lock screen because a lot of beginners mix these up. For example, if your screensaver is set to start after 1 minute and your lock screen is set to activate after 5 minutes, here's what happens. After 1 minute of inactivity, the screensaver appears. Then, if the Mac stays inactive for another 4 minutes, the lock screen turns on. When the lock screen is active, your Mac is locked and you'll need to enter your password to sign back in. But when only the screensaver is running, your Mac is not locked yet. These are two different features, and it's important to know the difference. If you're new to macOS, make sure to check out my macOS for Beginners playlist. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.